Good morning, everybody. Actually, no. Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for another shave. Excuse me. And yeah, it's time for another shave. I have like 9 days of growth, but anyway, let's get to it. For today's shave, I'm gonna be using my second soap from TwoFace Brothers and Oumo collab. This one is the tobacco. I have no name. I don't remember the names, but I know it's tobacco and vanilla. I think smells pretty good. Very creamy tobacco. Of course, I'm gonna use the matching splash since I got it. One of the few. Actually, that's the only two I got. We set full sets. For the razor, I'm gonna be using my Ascender Skyline with a Kai blade second use. And for the brush, I'm gonna be using my one of many Oumo handle, kind of matchy with a Oumo ST1 knot. Now let's get to shave. Already preloaded. This is a very soft print, so I'll probably overload it. But yeah, I need a shave. So today was a short day, only 11 hours. Oh, I'm gonna take advantage of shave. That I have a little bit of time. And I can upload the video later on before going to sleep. Hopefully. Yeah, very easy to lather. The knot is holding, actually I think it's the handle that is holding up a lot of water. It's not set very well. The Teflon tape got a little weak, I guess, or something. But it will do the job. So hope everybody's doing well. It's freaking hot in Florida. So yeah, surprising, I know. It was in the 90s. Well, today when I was at work at 2 in the morning, it was 84 degrees with humidity of 96. It was horrible. That's way too early for me. That's hot and sticky mess. But it was a slow, chill day. Still good hours. I'm just used to be working 13 plus hours. And now I feel like 11 hours is nothing. Yeah, very nice lather from the two brothers. I still don't know if they're vegan or tallow. I think they're vegan. I think. If you guys know, let me know, because I'm not much into the shaving, keeping up with the shaving community. So I don't really know much. This was how it looks by. I love the design, the vintage design. Man, but they perform. Look at that leather. No, I got the Ascender a while ago when it came out, obviously, and it's kind of weird for me because it didn't blow me away. It's really well built, but it didn't blow me away. But for some reason, I haven't stopped using it. Very weird. And I have a lot of shave with it, yeah. No pressure at all. Just taking the growth like nothing. Oh yeah, very slick base. Very slick. So hopefully tomorrow is a more interesting day for us. But as long as I can make the hours, I'm happy. This is only 9 days of growth. It's taking it like nothing. Very easy. Which I expected. I really like the Kai blade on this razor. Very efficient and smooth. I would say there, at least for me, there isn't much blade feel at all. Now I'm being very light on the touch because the Kai blade is very sharp. It's a very sharp blade, but I do like them. You watch, took that like nothing. No, it's not like I have the thickest beard like always, but hey, still growth. That's my work phone. Wonder who's texting now. Here on the mustache is that I have to be careful because this corner I tend to nick myself a lot. It's very efficient. Very efficient razor. So far it's been great. Now about the scent, I don't get it. I'm already went nose blind to it. Oh, yeah, the story of my life. What time is it? It's 4:18. I wonder who's texting. I'll check it out when I'm done here. I'm off work so they can wait. great shave so far. I'm trying to keep as soft pressure as possible, so I don't really need much. I don't really need much. Not as smooth, but since I lost more weight, my gallbladder is hanging up a little bit more, so could make it harder for the razor to glide across my neck. Very nice shave. I have a touch here, not much really. Don't want to push it because I've been very nice this shave, and I have a nick myself. I saw a little bit of a spot there, but yeah, it took, even from here on my neck that is harder, he took it out. He's very efficient with the guy. Very smooth. Zero pressure, just to be safe. Back to my black towel. Oh yeah, that was a great shave. There you go. All baby face back again. Man, that was a great shave. That razor is strange. It shaves really well, but for some reason I don't go crazy about it. But I cannot stop using it. Go figure. But it's great. It's a great razor. Time for the splash. Look at the bottle. Look at that vintage design. I love that design. Love it. Supposedly Sloppy said that they have alcohol on the splash. They don't have much really. I don't feel burned or anything. Oh yeah, the tobacco smells so nice. Oh. Yeah, it's way better on the splash. Very nice. It's like a earthy, spicy tobacco. Really nice. With the creaminess. It's really nice. I like it a lot. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.